how can we help to alleviate stress with workplace design? I mean, I don't know if there are two or three or four different things, Rex, but what
Sure.
are some
Yeah.
of the things that
Several
we
things.
could do?
Well, so first of all, it's redesigning the flow of work through the workplace. So think of stress as effort. If I give you a math problem, then that is stress because it's causing you to have to put out effort to solve the problem. So we all have a certain capacity to handle those things. So the more friction points along the way, that's cumulative in our bodies. So now we need to think about the hassle of, if I need to get something done, I've got to walk all the way to the other side of the building because Sally, who I work with, is really the person I need to connect. All the way organizations are designed by departments, the first thing we can do is look at how the work really gets done. And you can do what's called a communication interactive analysis. Dr. Nicholas Christakis talks about network design. And I'm talking about social networks of how things
Mhm.
get done. And if we think of work as a network of communication, a network of cooperation, a network of collaboration, and a network of commitments, and now relook at the organization and where those communication patterns flow. I mean, we wrote about this in Change Your Space, Change Your Culture. It's Pfizer analyzes the communication networks of their lab teams, and they know that a team that has more dense communication and more diverse communication is more likely to innovate than others. Dr. Nicholas Christakis writes that you can structurally arrange a group to either be more competitive and more stress-inducing or to be more cooperative. That's all a matter of design. And he uses the difference between graphite and a diamond. It's all the same carbon atoms, but
Mhm.
how you configure them creates either this soft thing called graphite or this hard thing called a diamond. So re-looking at these relational interactions and designing for that is one of the first ways to look at changing how it feels, changing the flow of work.